Hello and welcome back to the Wild West series. We're on episode 4 today, and in this episode we'll be making the character jump. So for this we'll need a permanent acceleration to give it a realistic gravity effect. For this I want to give it a value, so I'm going to create a variable called gravity and I'm going to set it to 3. This value will constantly be affecting velocity of the character. Today we'll also be using another timer, so this one we will also set to 0. This one today will make it so whenever we jump it starts a timer and gives time to leave the current position. Therefore things that stop the jumping, like a floor, will not kick in straight away. Then I'm just going to come down here and add one more timer. So I'm just going to come down here to where it says timer 0 plus equals 1. And I'm going to add timer 1 timers 1 plus equals 1. Now it's time to create the jump. So first I create an if that checks for the W key to be pressed. So I do if keys, then square brackets, then pygame.k underscore and then W. Then I put a colon. We also want to make sure that when we jump we are still touching the floor. So to do this we want to do and then character. So we need to get the y coordinate of the character, so that would be character 3. And if that character 3 is bigger or equal to the flooring, then that is all we need to do, and now we can move on. And then inside of here what we want to write is I want to make the velocity of the characters vertical minus 140, so that will be character 3. And then we're going to do, but not 3, I mean 6, sorry. And then we're going to change that to minus 140. This will make him go up, since the lower the y coordinate, the higher you are. Then I also want to begin the timer, so therefore I'm going to put timer 1. Timers 1 will equal 0, so it resets it. Now to make my velocity change, I want to put down here characters 3 and then in here, so character 3, and then I want to add on the velocity we're going at, so character 6. This will add the value of the speed onto the value of the character, and then I want to make gravity affect the speed, so I add gravity onto it. So I do character 6 plus equals gravity. Now that we have done this, when we jump the character will do a jump, but will end up going through the floor and dropping forever. So to stop this we need a function that would detect if a floor is there. So we check if the timer has given enough time and if we have gone under the floor. So we do if character 3 is larger than character 4. So this is like, so character 4 is obviously the level of the flooring and character 3 is the y coordinate. So if character 3 is higher than character 4, that means I've gone below the floor. And timer as 1 is bigger than 20, so there we go, to make it so it gives enough time for its update, and colon. So first thing I want to do is set the vertical speed of the character to 0. So character 6 equals 0. And then I also want to set the y coordinate to the value of the flooring. So then I just want to do character 3 equals character 4. Now that is all we need to do today. So when I run it, my character will jump and then land back in the original position. I hope you enjoy following along to this video and that you learned something. Please consider liking and subscribing. Tune in next episode where we'll be creating a platform for the characters to jump onto.